All right, everybody see the chemistry paper one? Sweet. Okay. Again, I'm going to do 60 seconds per question. Let me know in the chat if you think you know the answer. Yeah, this one is a deductive reasoning question more than a chemistry knowledge. Any ideas? Ross, what do we got? Is anyone there? So if we have a bottle where the water level is not moving, the rate of evaporation has to be equal to the rate of condensation. But not equal to 0. Because if it was 0, nothing would be happening. Okay. Well, I'm expecting an answer from you, so no. Question 2. You guys should be able to get these in 30 to 60 seconds. They are very similar to the questions that we've been practicing. No one's going to answer. So silver ions are being reduced. So they're going from plus to 0, from +1 to 0. But if it's reduced, it can't be the reducing agent. So as Ross and Noah have said there, it is magnesium atoms are oxidized. They're going from 0 on the left to +2 on the right. They're losing 2 electrons. And as they are the agent that's being oxidized, they are also the reducing agent. All right, again, we'll go 60 seconds. Well done, Lucy. Very good. So we're getting an addition reaction. We're going from alkene to polyalkane. Very good, Lucy. Okay, again, pretty simple. So what have we got here? What two functional groups can you see aside from the benzene ring? Lucy, on fire. So we have hydroxyl group down here, which is alcohol. Then we've got COOCH, COOCH, which we know is an ester. Remember, each of these points is a carbon atom. So we did a question similar to this, which is, so which KC value represents a reaction that's almost finished? This is the opposite. So question 5, Ross, can Lucy keep her winning streak going? Ooh, Ross, well done. Lucy, well done. So if the lower the KC value, the more reactants there are, or the further it lies to the left. If it's 1, then the reaction is at equilibrium, it's equal. If it's higher than 1, it's favoring the products. The higher, the further it is to the right. Question 6, I'm going to give you guys a try. I'm going to give you guys 2 minutes for this one. Remember how we figured out how to work? We looked at for the electrical cell potential from zinc to zinc 2 positive and copper 2 plus to copper. Make the smallest one a minus and add them together. Oh, Lucy, that's like 4 in a row now. Well done. Well done, Lucy. D. So if you go into your formula book, find the 2, make the smallest one a negative, add them together, and you should get plus 1.07. Okay, this one is a little bit of a deductive reasoning question. So sulfuric acid being the strongest. Phosphoric acid, or now I'm mixing my, got ethanoic acid and hydrogen carbonate, or hydrocyanic acid. Yep, perfect. This was one of the questions. Again, slightly different. Lucy, very good. Carbon dioxide gas is produced by carboxylic acid when it reacts with sodium hydrogen carbonate. There was a question in the practice questions we've been using that was about looking for color changes in gas formation and stuff like that. Okay, again. Question 9. Again, we've done a lot of this stuff. So increasing the pressure. So which side has the most number of gas moles will be left. So increasing the pressure will push the equilibrium to the right to produce more of the product. Well done, Lucy. The Kc value constant is there to trick you. Ignore it. Okay, we've done one of these kind of questions. So why is it non-spontaneous, Lucy? Because we are providing a voltage source. Very good. And we know that it's the opposite in an electrochemical cell. So oxidation occurs at the anode. Thank you. All right, you'll need your formula book for this one. So you've got it there. Yep, B. Very good. Okay. Again, we've done one of these as well. This is last year's exam, by the way. Very nice. So both going with C. So it'll be cis-2 pentene. Yeah, cis-2 pentene. In this case, it'll be cis-2 pentene. Yes, very good. Well done. It's okay, Lucy, I forgive you. What kind of, well, I guess you can, what kind of acid would this be with? Strong acid, strong base. Perfect. D, we've got products over reactants. Perfect. Guys feeling all right about the multiple choice section now? Yeah, very good. So it's unsaturated. And technically, it will be unsaturated just because of the double bond. So remember the difference between saturated and unsaturated. This one gets everybody. Got everybody last year. So what molecule have we got on the end here? Or what functional group have we got on the end of this carbon chain? So nitrile to amine. Yep. And it's in a reduction reaction. Because what we're doing is reducing the number of bonds. So we have a triple bond between nitrogen and carbon in an amine. We reduce that to 1. So it's a reduction reaction. All right, question 17. Anyone have any ideas about this one? Get your formula book out, you'll be able to answer. I think if I say that enough times. See, very good, Lucy. Well done. He's feeling better about chemistry exam now. You should. Noah, I know it takes too long to use the formula booklet, but
For that question, when it's like, for A, when it says like 2 Na and 2 Br, do we have to like times the like potential by 2, or is this like the same?
just by 1. Just keep it simple.
Okay.
Because that's just to balance the chemical reaction.
Okay, thanks.
Yes, very good, Noah. That method and specialist came in handy. All right, last one. Fair enough. It's a bit like that at the moment, isn't it? All right, question 19, and we'll probably just finish there. I don't think you guys are going to take much more in before the exam. But, well, Lucy, what are you going to do between now and Sunday when we will go through the hardcore questions in this exam? You're going to study. So the quaternary structure of proteins has all of the intermolecular forces. Disulfide bridges, ionic bonding, dispersion forces, dipole-dipole forces, hydrogen bonding. If you see all of those, then it's the quaternary structure. And I think, yeah, who's coming on Sunday? So I feel very strange wearing a suit. I'm not wearing a suit and tie now, but I feel very strange. Sorry, I'm taking up too much of your time now. Yeah, so that'll be again similar. We'll be going through the hardcore long answer questions, but not really to try and learn the content. But hopefully you guys saw, I think it's 4 o'clock now. I think it's 4. I might move it to the morning though, because I was dead to the world when I did the one on Sunday for general maths, as you can see by the beautiful bags and lines. But you guys absolutely nailed those questions. There's no reason why you